Hey guys, Anthony here, and in this video I'm going to briefly discuss full versus manual installation in Monstroid2, which is a multi-purpose WordPress theme packed with a lot of features and functionality. In a previous video I did a brief Monstroid2 review. Also I'll be creating several Monstroid2 tutorials, so feel free to check them out. There are two main ways to install Monstroid2, and I've created two separate tutorials in which I walk you through the process step by step. When you download the Monstroid2 installation package, you will see two main folders. In the theme wizard folder is a plugin which will guide you through the process step by step. This is the full install and is best suited for users who do not want to manually set things up. It will install the main Monstroid2 theme, the chosen skin, and the required plugins. In the manual install folder, you'll find two subfolders for plugins and the theme. When doing the manual install, you can still use the Jet Plugins wizard to install the necessary plugins based on your chosen skin. With both the manual and the full installs, you can install the demo content from the chosen skin. There are over 40 skins in different niches. A skin is essentially a website template which can be fully customized depending on the type of installation you're going to use. As mentioned earlier, I'll be creating several Monstroid2 tutorials, and you can check these two Monstroid installation tutorials. And thanks for watching.